S&P 500 ETF today we're down 42 cents, still very strong move to the upside, not really pulling back. Nasdaq is down to 45 cents. Diamonds were down to 16 cents, still above all moving averages on the daily chart. Russell 2000 up 15 cents, so we got a small cap moving up nicely. Transports also up another 22 cents. Let's take a quick look at some opportunities, potential ones that are coming up. First one I have is a line. So this one, if you take a look on the hourly chart, we may have to play this just like Caterpillar. You can see Caterpillar is starting to shape up against that 200 moving average on the hourly chart when this chart decides to load up. So that's kind of your trading plan right now when everything is moving up so quickly to the upside. Taking a quick look at CL, here's a chart that I'm anticipating for the next pullback. Now we had some good success buying this the last time when we were down here. Took it to the profit extensions. Now we're waiting for the next pullback. We don't want to be buying stocks up in these areas. Costco still moving up very nicely. If you're in this trade, continue just to ratchet up your stops. Now I'm also looking for the next pullback. You can see the stock moves $9.50 to the downside, $9.55. You can see we have a 3-price relationship here. I duplicated one of the symmetry supports projected to this new recent high. So now I'm looking for a pullback to 334.17, right around that area, and see if price is going to hold. Just how it plays out over here. Looking at CREE, can't do anything with this chart, continue to truck to the upside without any pullbacks. Salesforce down 17 cents, so if you're in this trade, continue to ratchet up your stops. Dollar Tree, I see some opportunity here, and this one is very similar to Caterpillar as well. You can see it recovered the 200 moving average on the daily chart. Now it's pulling back to that 200 moving average on the hourly, so that's a trading plan right there. If you're looking to bounce off of that 200 hourly, maybe you roll it in with a put credit spread, or right now volatility on this one is still pretty low. Later on this month, earnings will be coming out, just FYI. And also Twitter talked about we had an entry to go long yesterday, so if you're in this trade, continue to just hold on to it. There's nothing to do at these levels. You gotta have the patience to go to the profit extensions. Now we measure and get our profit extensions by pulling from this point down to this point, okay? And we're gonna remove all these ones below 100%. So I hold down the control button while clicking on these horizontal lines. So you gotta have a trading plan. When you first get into the trade, you gotta have a stop loss and you gotta have a profit target. And for us, I'm more conservative, so I'm just looking for the 113 extension to the upside, and that's it. Let's take a quick look at some headlines. Weekly job shows initial U.S. jobless claims falling by 249,000 to 1.2 mil. And on certain horizon, the world could look very different to investors in 3 months. Futures across the board. Germany pretty much flat, same thing Euro 50 in Japan. We got some very strong moves to the upside in gold and silver, especially silver. So gold, we're hanging out above 2070 now. Printed an all-time high again. And with silver, this guy's just trucking. Now we're at 28. We've been talking about how this has the potential to have that Tesla kind of a chart looking. I'm not saying it's going to have the same type of price levels, but this kind of exponential move to the upside, a hockey stick, a lot of people are looking for. And right now, I would definitely not be chasing silver. I talked about silver, loading up in silver down here. We had a nice 3-price relationship here. Now it's taken off. You gotta wait for the next pullback. And let's take a quick look. The Fear and Greed Index is at 70, so there's still a lot of optimism across the board. Ethereum can't really break above that 400 mark. And not a whole lot going on today. Tomorrow we have unemployment rate expecting to come out at 10.5%. Thanks so much for watching this video. Leave a comment below. Any other symbols you'd like me to review, be happy to look at them for you. Thanks so much. I'll talk to you soon.